Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to paint these lovely budgies. I like these blue colors, so I'm going to start with the blue one. I think that it will look good in Chinese watercolor. We are going to need the sky blue, yellowed, orange color, and ink today. Let's get started. The blue budgie is basically white and blue colors. So for the white part, I'm going to start using ink to outline the beak, the eyes, and the head. Budgie is native to Australia, so it has never been a subject of traditional Chinese painting. If you found this non-traditional, that's right. This is totally modern, and the way that I paint this bird is totally my style. I've never learned how to paint this type of colorful birds. And colorful birds are not really traditional Chinese painting. So if you like my style, find the techniques and tips useful, please subscribe and press the bell notification button, like and share. I'll appreciate it. The way that I paint these plumage is that I split the tip of the brush, take a bit of ink and dab it lightly to create the patterns. And I twist and turn my brush to create the changing look of the feather. Now I'm using just the sky blue to paint the back of the bird. The reason why I'm using only single color is that you can make use of the water contained in your brush belly to create a gradient. And this sky blue is different from the natural blue that I always use. I suppose you can also use the indigo, which is the traditional natural color. But since this is available, so I'll just give it a try, and I find it appropriate for certain subjects that are more vibrant. The chest is also in blue color, but what I did was that I take a little bit of blue and dilute it with a lot more water to get this diluted light blue. It is the same blue color. I don't use white color for this painting. The beak is yellowed with a bit of orange color. And then the cheek patch is in blue color. There are also a couple of black spots. The nose and ears are in blue color. You may paint a lot of different colors because the males and females are different. Because these blue and white budgies are very clean, I'm just going to use ink to paint some leaves. The parrots have two claws front, so you don't have to paint three like some other smaller birds. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.